Hello, all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget, we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today, we are talking about the 1992 Autozam Scrum, a tiny Japanese truck turned monster truck in the Hot Wheels collection. Before we get into the detail, let's unbox it. The Autozam comes in two versions, one is white and another one is matte blue. Let's continue the unboxing. But today we are going to talk about the white version. This model has the detailed headlights, trim and a 4WD marking. It's a white with the Mazda logo on the front and the Texas Toot logos on the side. And it does matches with the card. But the matte blue version shares the design of the white version but is a deep blue color. Hot Wheels Legend Tour is a global event for the car enthusiasts. It started in the 2018 to celebrate Hot Wheels' 50th anniversary. It's so no wonder that the Autozam victory in the Hot Wheels Legend Tour is a significant achievement. The first winner was the 2ZZ in 2018 and other winners include the Nash, (1970) Pontiac Firebird, Volvo P1800 Gasser, (1992) Mazda Autozam, Mazda MX-5 Roadster, and the Porsche Dirtmeister 944. The Texas Toot, a 1992 Autozam Scrum, transformed into the monster truck by Craig Meaux from Texas, deserves a special mention. It's now a 1:64 scale Hot Wheels model, showing the endless possibilities in the Hot Wheels world. It's a piece of automotive history reimagined as a champion monster truck. The real-life monster truck, the Texas Toot, was the champion of the 2022 Hot Wheels Legend Tour. For more exciting stories, histories, and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.